What if I told you one stock could compound like gold did? Not overnight, not with hype, but quietly, over time, into a 10x or even 1000% style move? Before you click away, this is not a meme stock, not crypto hype, and not a get rich quick fantasy. It's something Wall Street understands very well, but rarely explains clearly. Most people miss life changing investments not because they're risky, but because they look boring at the start. Gold didn't explode overnight, it compounded, slowly, relentlessly. If becoming rich was loud and exciting, every casino would be full of millionaires. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why one company is becoming the gold reserve of the digital economy. How gold really made people rich. Gold didn't make people rich because it was shiny. It made them rich because it preserved value while currencies weakened. Over decades, inflation rose, money lost purchasing power. Gold quietly climbed. A 1000% move doesn't happen in a year. It happens when time plus scarcity plus trust collide. Key idea: the biggest winners aren't traders, they're owners. Best stock is Microsoft. Microsoft is no longer just software. It controls enterprise productivity, Office Teams, global cloud infrastructure, Azure, AI integration across governments and corporations, mission-critical systems. Businesses cannot turn off. This is not growth fueled by hype. This is dependency-driven growth. If a company is too important to replace, it doesn't need viral excitement to win. People argue about which phone is better. Corporations quietly send billions to Microsoft every year. So you are wondering how 1000% really happens. Let's be clear. A 1000% move doesn't come from guessing tops and bottoms. It comes from buying quality, holding through boredom, letting time do the heavy lifting. Most people want fast money. Millionaires want inevitable money. This is how gold created wealth. This is how dominant platforms create wealth. Wall Street doesn't shout about 1000% gains. They whisper about decades of dominance. In the last, it is the compounding which is the real weapon. Compounding is not exciting. That's why it works. Small gains, reinvested, over long periods. That's how. Gold built generational wealth. Blue chip stocks created millionaires. Time beat talent. The biggest risk isn't market crashes. It's starting too late. You don't need to be early. You need to be consistent. If you want to truly understand how small investments turn into massive wealth, watch the next video on your screen. That video explains why time beats luck, why patience beats prediction, and why most people never get rich, even with good stocks. I'll see you there.